beginning this bulletin with some big news coming in from Srinagar. An accidental explosion occurred inside the Naugam police station in the outskirts of Kashmir late on Friday. This left at least 6 dead and 27 injured, mostly policemen and forensic officials. Now, eyewitnesses and CCTV clips from the area show the blast ripping through the station with smoke and flames shooting into the air. This explosion occurred while authorities were extracting samples from a large cache of explosives recently seized in connection with the Delhi terror blast, according to officials on Saturday. Now, this material, which is part of the 360 kilograms of explosives recovered from the rented residence of arrested Dr. Muzammil Shakil, was being sampled as part of the ongoing investigation, according to officials. The blast occurred while personnel were handling the explosive material seized from Faridabad while it was being sealed in the presence of magistrate. Visuals on your screen right now showing you how exactly the blast took place. Now, unfortunately, several of the wounded are in critical condition and rescuers are still searching the debris for those reported missing. Earlier, the Deputy Commissioner of Srinagar, Akshay Labru, also went to the hospital to meet the victims who were injured in the blast. But this is the latest that we know of from the blast that took place in the police station in Jammu and Kashmir. It was an accidental blast. It has left about 6 people dead and 27 injured so far. This explosion took place late on Friday night. Now, most of the injured include policemen and forensic officials. This explosion, in fact, occurred while officials were extracting samples from a large cache of explosives which was recently recovered in connection with a Delhi terror blast. And unfortunately, while handling those explosives, some of them exploded, leading to the death of about 6 people and leaving 27 injured. Now, remember, this material, it was part of the 360 kilograms of explosives recovered from the rented residence of arrested doctor and terrorist Muzammil Shakil. It was being sampled, in fact, as part of the ongoing investigation. And the blast occurred when the personnel were handling the explosive material seized from Faridabad. It was being sealed in the presence of the magistrate, in fact. Now, we are given to understand that several of the wounded are still in critical condition and the rescuers at this point are still searching the debris for those reported missing. Remember, it took place late Friday night, so the rescue ops are still on. As soon as the explosion occurred, the security forces along with sniffer dogs, they arrived at the site to carry out the investigation. In fact, officials have taken the stock of the situation. The Deputy Commissioner of Srinagar, Akshay Labru, he also went to the hospital to meet with those who have been injured. But visuals on your screen right now of the blast as well as from the hospital where injured are being treated currently. Remember, some of them are still in critical condition. This explosion, it took place in the Naugam police station in the outskirts of Kashmir just late Friday night. Details are still pouring in, but the numbers we have with us shows that at least 6 people unfortunately have lost their lives. Meanwhile, 27 others are injured. They're still receiving treatment. Most of them are policemen and forensic officials. Now, this blast occurred while authorities were extracting samples from a large cache of explosives which were recently seized in connection with the Delhi terror blast.